want. How we started from the back and we ended to the front. Now we got it, and everything reciprocal. I was broke, I was ridiculed. Now I'm straight living, good times for new beginnings. Popping bottles with cuter women. Said a Douce, shorty feeding for some Douce. She just trying to ride this new wave.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. You know what I mean? I want to apologize. I had a small little hiatus. You know what I mean? Quick little day off for the New Year's. Had to attend to some family matters. Nothing crazy. All good news. And I've been hustling to get my other side projects up and running. You know what I mean? Trying to get, you know what I mean, my entrepreneurial spirit ready to go. You feel me? So let's shout out my alpha generals, alpha generalettes, all my alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard, you know what I mean? So what I have here for y'all today is a small little angel pendant, white gold plated by Harlem Bling. I got a couple of pendants from them, so please stay tuned for any future presentation. You know what I mean? And now let's get to the video. Okay, now we back. Like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is, you know what I mean, a simple little angel pendant by Harlem Bling. I got two other pendants from them, but I won't be presenting them today. So stay tuned for any future presentation by Harlem Bling. This is my first purchase from them. It's the only complaint I have, which is not really a complaint, it's because of COVID, and we all know that, especially around the holidays, you know what I'm saying, shipping could be a little difficult. So, you know, let's get right to it. This is their box. Nothing too crazy. You know what I mean? Simple. And sometimes simple, you know what I mean, is less is more, if you know what I mean. You dig. You feel me? Got a nice little logo. Simple box, but I guess when all you got is pendants, you don't need nothing crazy extravagant. You heard. Check out the box. Let's see what they have inside. Like I said, this presentation by them is just a simple little angel pendant. Know what I mean? With CZ stones that they say pass the diamond tester, but that's for another video. You heard. Now, looking through the plastic, it comes in these little Ziploc bags, if you will. And y'all know, plastic be the ops. I don't gotta keep repeating it, but y'all already know. Shout out to all my fellow YouTubers who's starting to catch on that some of this plastic be pests. You heard. Give me a second to take it out the plastic. This shouldn't take too long. You feel me? See what I'm saying? That was simple. Thank you, plastic. You know what I mean? Maybe you're not the ops, but we'll figure it out. You know, maybe there's different kind of plastic out here, you know what I mean? That snakeskin plastic that be giving us a hard time, being that this is a simple pendant. It was cooperating. Thank you, fellas. Thank you for your help. Black Glove Gang in the building. So anyway, what y'all think of this thing? To me, this thing is beautiful, you know what I mean? I couldn't tell. I was a little misled by the picture, you know what I mean? It's exactly how the picture looked, but you know, the judgment of the size, it looked a little bigger on the picture, but I'm not complaining because we don't want pendants that's too huge if that's not what we expect. But it's a nice size. This is real 925 sterling silver. Let's look at the back, you know what I mean? Real 925 sterling silver, as you see the stamp in the back. 925 sterling silver. And for y'all that follow me, if I didn't educate you enough on, you know what I'm saying, 925 sterling silver, you know what I mean, or vermeil as they call it, you know what I mean, when you plate something over 925 sterling silver, they just say 5 times gold plated, or they say, you know what I mean, vermeil, which is 5 times or more plating over sterling silver. But y'all see the stamp, that just shows you that it's real silver. And not for nothing, because it's a small piece, it's not too heavy, but for a small piece, I believe it's silver because it got a little bit of weight to it, not for nothing, you know what I mean? Look at it in my hand. And I already know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, how much is that thing, man? That thing looking kind of crazy. Well, I'll be happily to present by Harlem Bling and pleasantly surprised, you know what I mean? For real silver, they got good quality silver for a good price. This piece right here, you know what I mean? Take a look at it. I don't know if I don't got it too well into focus. You know what I mean? This angel pendant right here, white gold plated with rhodium, is $30.29 or $30.59, but nevertheless, it's $30. You heard. You feel me? It's a nice little piece. I'm feeling this thing. I'll be wearing it really soon. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful piece, man. Tell me what y'all think. Got CZ stones that are rumored to pass diamond testers, you know what I mean? Nice little angel piece. They say when you buy angel pieces, a lot of people buy angel pieces because they got kids, so you get an angel to represent each one of your kids. I only got one, and this will be my second or third angel purchase from different companies, but this will be my first purchase by Harlem Bling. You know what I mean? Look at that thing. This thing got some weight to it. You know, nothing crazy because it's small, but you can feel the weight on it. Feels pretty, you know, feels like a quality piece, you know what I mean? For my first purchase, and like I said, it came with 2 other pendants. I ordered 3 pendants, 2 other cross pendants that I'll be doing in future videos. This is not bad. I'm impressed. I like it, man. I've been hearing a lot of good things about Harlem Bling, so I can't complain with this one. I like it. It's a nice size. Looks like it will go well with a nice outfit. Something simple, nothing too crazy. But like I said, nevertheless, $30 and change, nothing crazy, you know what I mean? Very affordable for y'all that like angel pendants. I'm more of a cross guy, but I've been getting more into angels and Jesus pieces, you know, just to experiment with my jewelry collection a little bit. And I already know, y'all already know what I'm going to say. Y'all diamond connoisseurs or your diamond intellectualists, y'all already know what I'm going to say. Come on, audience, say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Who cares if the diamonds ain't real? Once they say CZs or lab-made diamonds, we already know that they're not real. But like I said again, I will repeat, you know what I'm saying? These stones that they use are rumored to pass the diamond tester. I won't do it in this video because I got a future comparison video that I'm going to compare with another angel from another company. Hopefully y'all stay tuned. But tell me what y'all think of this thing, man. $30, and it has a nice little weight to it. I like it. They had the option in yellow gold as well. And I was fighting between the two because I'm more of a yellow gold fan. I know much of you youngins aren't, but I am. But I've been trying to up my collection with white gold just to have an equilibrium of both sides, an equal balance, if you will. You feel me? You heard. You know what I mean? So tell me what y'all think of this thing. $30 and change. 925 sterling silver. Got the stamp on the back. CZ stones. You know what I mean? You can't argue with that. They got affordable silver. You know what I mean? And for those of you, you know what I mean, that can't afford solid gold or real gold as they want to call it, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with getting the 925 sterling silver gold plated piece. It's more premium than buying that middle of the mall jewelry. I tell you that. You feel me? So, not much more to say. I know I took a little hiatus over the holidays, you know what I mean? Had some good things going on with family, and I've been trying to catch up with my family and do my due diligence with my family. So please forgive me. But now that we in the new year, I will be stepping up my game. Maybe 2 videos every Friday, but y'all know I drop videos every Friday and Monday. So from this day forward, to all my subscribers and all my followers, I will be stepping up my game. I'm waiting for a few more pieces from other companies. Due to COVID and due to the shipping, you know, it's been taking a while. So please forgive me. But this right here is an angel piece by Harlem Bling. Real 925 sterling silver. White gold plated with rhodium. You know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think of that, man. Got the stamp right there. Essentially a heavy piece. $30. I ain't mad at them, man. I'm kind of happy with my purchase. Not even kind of happy. I am happy with this purchase. Now I got to step up my game with them and try out their chains because I've been hearing a lot of good things. I've seen some, you know, whatever questionable things, but I'm not going to complain because my stuff came in good condition. So, take a look at this thing. Tell me what y'all think of it. Comment if you like this video, you know what I mean? Hit the thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.